Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th day of October in the year 2024, our system has categorized Intel as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.25. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 2.06%. This equates to an average return of 0.19% daily since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are expected. The trend observed over the last 3 months points to a potential decrease of nearly 13% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of nearly 36% to an increase of just over 10%. Meanwhile, the trend projected over the next 12 months suggests a decrease of nearly 49%, with potential returns ranging from a decline of just over 65% to a decline of just over 36%. This would place the stock price between approximately $8 and just under $15 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Intel stock after gaining approximately 0.3%. The Intel stock price increased by approximately 0.3% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, rising from $22.77 to $22.84. It has now experienced gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it can maintain this upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.83%, with a low of $22.25 and a high of $22.88. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 2.06% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 155,000 shares, with a total of 40 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $902,470,000. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price is 55.46%, or $28.44, below the 52-week high, and 67.04%, or $46.45, below the all-time high on January 24, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel Corporation is currently in the spotlight as several developments emerge that could significantly impact its stock price in both the short and long term. Market sentiment is currently influenced by comments from Qualcomm CEO Cristiano Amon regarding a rumored bid for Intel. Although this has not been officially confirmed, it has sparked discussions among investors. The market is also anticipating Intel's third-quarter earnings report, which is due soon, with expectations for improved results compared to a disappointing second quarter. Analysts suggest that the current market environment may favor Intel in exceeding these expectations, potentially restoring confidence and leading to a short-term price recovery. Furthermore, Investment activities indicate a growing market interest. Gateway Investment Advisors has increased its stake in Intel, reflecting a positive outlook even amidst widespread market skepticism. Another significant factor is Intel's potential move to sell a minority stake in its Altera programmable chip unit, aimed at raising capital. This could be viewed as a strategic shift to strengthen its financial position and combat ongoing competitive pressures from companies such as Advanced Micro Devices and Taiwan's Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. In the long term, Intel's initiatives in artificial intelligence and foundry expansions hold promise. However, these efforts face execution risks and intense competition. While management's cost reduction strategies could improve cash flow in the near term, they may also limit growth potential. Ultimately, market watchers will closely monitor both the upcoming earnings release and any developments surrounding the Altera deal, as these factors play crucial roles in shaping Intel's stock trajectory. Analyst Ratings. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned a sell grade to Intel Corporation, along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned an equal weight grade to Intel Corporation, along with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned a buy grade to Intel Corporation, along with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned a reduce grade to Intel Corporation, along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned an underperform grade to Intel Corporation, along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Intel stock. They view the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio also as a buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is indicated from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there exists an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $22.86. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at approximately $21.81. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will signal a sell. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and thus far, the stock has increased by 20.91%. Further gains are expected until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock warrants close monitoring. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could impact short-term developments. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 32 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 143 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 151 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $21.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Typically, this stock is traded at a favorable volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is considered low. Over the previous day, the stock fluctuated by 630 cents, which is 2.83% between its high and low prices. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.07%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it may suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -3 cents. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $23.46. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $21.84. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of September 2024, Yuri Frank D. conducted an insider purchase of 3,136,763 shares of phantom stock units. On the 27th of September 2024, Smith Gregory D. conducted an insider purchase of 1,516,102 shares of phantom stock units. On the 27th of September 2024, Ishraq Omar conducted an insider purchase of 1,306,985 shares of phantom stock units. On the 27th of September 2024, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider purchase of 1,254,706 shares of phantom stock units. On the 31st of August 2024, Gowell Scott conducted an insider sale of 2,024 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.591. Overall, insiders purchased 440,463 shares and sold 421,731 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.05, reflecting a decrease of 3.46%. This stock demonstrates low daily movements, resulting in a reduced risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 31 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel shows several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buying recommendation at this time. Currently, it may be best regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting you either hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, we anticipate Intel will open lower by approximately 18 cents, starting at a price of $22.66. We want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please do not rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.